The answer is yes, you could be required to register again.
Good evening, gentlemen. I appreciate your work helping others. I have a question and was hoping to get your opinions. An RSO completes their 15-year registration requirements in the state they live in for a CP type offense. Not on any type of probation or parole. They are no longer an RSO nor required to provide any information to the state regarding the offense. The person now wants to permanently move to a different state. If the new state you are moving to considers the same past offense, which has a 15-year requirement in the original state, a lifetime requirement, can the new state require registering in that state for life?
So I like this question because it's coming up so frequently, has come up and continues to come up so frequently. And the answer is yes, you could be required to register again. In reality, if you're not breaking the law, you might live another 20 or 30 or 40 or 50 years without it ever being a problem for you. But on the other hand, you may be stopped at a place where a cop has boredom and runs your license plate number and gets a name and then runs your name and through the NCIC and sees you were formally registered and then decides that you're near something that might be problematic, and they might run a whole bunch of stuff and they might decide to confront you, and they might discover you, or you may have a victim that's continued to track your movements and may know where you are, and they may report you to that state. So you could get in trouble right away. But if you've been dutifully removed from registration, the worst thing that's going to happen is when they encounter you and they find that you have this offense and you are covered by their law, they're going to tell you to register. So, but yes, he would be best served not to move. But if he does move, that's a personal choice.